Rain. Let it rain. Look up. What do you see? Clouds. How do clouds form? Water vapor rises. It sticks to dust in the air. The vapor builds up. It becomes droplets. The droplets grow heavy. They fall to the ground. Look, it's raining. Small drops fall lightly. A light rain is called a drizzle. Large raindrops fall hard. They make a shower. We need rain. Rain feeds plants. Plants need water to grow. People and animals need water to live too. Rain can be fun. Mary jumps in a puddle. It can be comforting. Listen. The sound helps Ty fall asleep. Good night, rain. Types of rainy weather. Sleet is partially frozen rain. A downpour is a heavy rain. Sprinkle is a light rain. That's when it's fun to play in the rain and jump in the puddles. A mist is water in the form of particles floating in the air or falling as fine rain. A drizzle, to rain in very small drops. A puddle, a very small pool of liquid. Droplets, very small drops. Vapor, fine particles of a liquid, such as water, that are suspended in the air.